our very own dog. A dog came to live with us when I was 4. For a minute or two, she sat by me. Then she climbed right over my back and nuzzled my hand with her cold, wet nose. "Hello, Sophie." Sophie had been living at a dog's home. Now she had her own home with us. We had things ready for our new dog: a cozy bed and blankets, bowls for food and water, a toy to cuddle, one to chew, a ball, a lead, and a collar. We fitted her collar and felt it with our fingers to make sure it wasn't too tight. It had a metal tag on it that jingled as she walked. There goes Sophie. Sophie was shy of my father at first, so he took care not to look in her eyes or stroke her to get her close. Instead, he spoke to her gently and made her the tastiest dinners. Soon, she came to love him best of all. Being a dog, Sophie couldn't talk, but she learned to understand. She knew her own name, Sophie, though she pretended sometimes not to. As she always heard the word walkies, even if you said it in a whisper. We took Sophie walking every day so she could run and roll, sniff smells, and meet other dogs. Sophie loved to chase a ball. She'd run so fast that her ears turned inside out. Go, Sophie. She'd drop the ball for you to throw, then snatch it up herself. Sophie could move quickly when she wanted to, as we found out when she first smelt sausages. Hey, Sophie, those were for us. Sophie enjoyed a tickle and a stroke, or a brush for those hard-to-reach itches. But she wasn't keen on being washed. She liked it better when we had baths. Sophie never minded getting dirty. One day she splashed through every puddle in the park, then shook out her fur to get dry. Oh, Sophie. As we made our muddy way back home, we passed a big sign that said "Dog Show." We only went to take a look. We never meant to enter Sophie. But Sophie wagged her tail, and the judge gazed up into her eyes. Can you guess who won the prize that day for the friendliest dog? It was Sophie, our dog. The end.